have flabby arms and wondering what kind of sleeves to wear, well, here you go. First is don't wear half sleeves that actually cut on the widest part of your arm so they show off your flabby arms. Instead, wear these flouncy style half sleeves, which are half sleeves but they don't stick, so your arms are not so much visible. It adds character to your dresses and your tops. I know you understand what I mean. Next is instead of sleeveless, wear in-cut sleeves because the in-cut sleeves actually shows off your shoulders instead of concentrating on your arms. Third is 3/4 sleeves and full sleeves definitely look good. Fourth is wear interesting print and pattern on your dress, so the concentration is on the dress, on the neckline, on the length of the dress, and not so much on your arm. Fifth is loose layer for your arms on days that you're not very comfortable. I never thought I had flabby arms till the time a doctor pointed it out to me because they wanted to earn by me getting a liposuction or something, whatever suction done. The point is, don't let tiny imperfections of your body stop you from wearing what you want to wear. If you love to wear sleeveless, go ahead, wear it. The flabby arms are more here than they are here. So just go ahead, don't stop yourself. And these little imperfections are what make us us.